Corvette. Hopped out the motherfucking vet. Told her give me a paper, baby, I don't want the sex. Fuck you thought it was. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe.
What's good, Versatile Squad? If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below for your boy. And leave a comment while you're down there too as well. You might as well. You down there already. Today, we're actually going to be talking about this box we have from acscomposites.com. Be sure to go check them out. That link will be in the description below. And to help you out even more, I'll go ahead and throw that up on the screen for y'all. They have stuff for your Corvette, for any year, and also your Camaro. From splitters, to rocker guards, to grill inserts, and spoilers. But today, we're actually going to be talking about a set of rock guards that they sent me, y'all. And they are XL. Wait a minute. These are actually cheap knockoffs from eBay, y'all, and I was under the impression that they were ACS Composites. So huge shout out to my guy Jonathan over at ACS Composites for hooking me up with a set of real ones. Now let's get into a side-by-side comparison with the factory and the knockoffs. These have a set of OEM clips. These clips are actually missing. Where are they at? This is crazy, y'all. They're actually stuck. Let me see if I can get it for y'all. Stuck inside the panel still when I pulled it off. That is crazy, huh? So my guy Jonathan at ACS Composites was telling me that their clips are actually just like the OEM clips, so I won't have no problems with that. Also, y'all, this is just a solid black, no paint at all. Like it's, and then it also had a chip in it somewhere. Maybe on this one, y'all, from when I got it. It just came in the mail like that. Let's see how this ACS Composites one compares, y'all. I'm hoping it's better than that cheap eBay knockoff. I appreciate that. They look nice. ACS Composites. Here's some more options they show y'all. What they got. Anything. Some of y'all damn near anything y'all can think of. Some more options. This is what they sent me, y'all. Boom. Straight off the bat, the packaging's better. I like the packaging, man. Ooh, you see that? It actually matches my factory GM spoiler, y'all. That is carbon flash, if you can't see it. There you go. Let me hold it to the light for y'all. Boom. That there is carbon flash, y'all. And they actually use the GM paint. So it's the closest thing you can get to color match it. And if you go cheap, knock off eBay the way I did the first time, you're bound to have some problems and it ain't gonna match your car. Put this aside over here. Take this one out. Let me clear all this mess up real quick, y'all. Alright, y'all, now that I got that out the way, right off the bat, you see the factory GM clips on your ACS Composites rock guard, right? Y'all know where those clips are. Do not make the mistake that I did and go the cheap eBay route thinking you're gonna get ACS Composites. It's not gonna happen. You're gonna get this black Chinese cheap BS, man. And then the reason why you should even upgrade from the factory one to the ACS Composites one, y'all, look at this. No color match, right? No added protection on the side. Everything gonna fly and hit your car. Just go ahead and grab this, throw it away. Go to ACS Composites right now in the link in the description below, y'all. Get yourself a set of ACS Composite rock guards, y'all. The extra large ones to be exact. You get style and protection all in one. Alright, y'all, so for this install, you're gonna need a 7mm socket and a wrench. I have an electric one, so this install is gonna be a breeze for me. Once you hit that 1.7mm bolt at the bottom, y'all can go ahead and get a pry tool. Oh, let me see if I can wiggle this out. Let me show y'all this for y'all. This is crazy. So can't even show y'all. But basically the top portion of the clip is still stuck in the vehicle. So that is the cheap plastic clips that y'all get when y'all go to eBay where y'all it's actually coming apart. But it's still reusable, y'all, so I will be giving these away for those of y'all who do want them. As you can see, the clips are still good. So anybody that wants these, y'all let me know. Hit me up in the comments down below. Y'all just gotta pay shipping if you aren't in Texas or in Houston. See if I have hell trying to get these clips out, y'all, because they are still stuck in there. Alright, y'all, so if y'all made this mistake with the cheap eBay way like me, you're gonna need a pry tool, and you're gonna have to get it in between here like this, and then pry it out. Like such. Alright, y'all, so this is a pretty simple install. You're gonna feed this clip right here into the fender well right here. The wheel well, I should say. And then you're gonna push these clips in like such. You're not gonna have to beat on it like I did have to do the cheap plastic ones. Since these are the factory GM clips, they just popped right in place for me, y'all. Then you get your 7mm screw. Insert it in at the bottom. Don't want to tighten up too much, y'all, just snug. And she is. Alright, y'all, so when I had these in, I said they were damn near flush. Like, it would sit good, but this is flush, not damn near, it is. It's perfect with it. And it actually does stick out a little bit more than these did. So you get that upgraded protection and style with this carbon flash ACS composite rock guard, y'all. I don't know why y'all would go eBay, y'all, after I made the mistake. I mean, I made the mistake, so y'all don't have to. Go ahead and go check out ACS Composites right now in the link in the description below, y'all, and get yourself a set of rock guards. Alright, y'all, since I'm not a wasteful person, I was able to save all the clips. I will be giving these away. Just hit me up in the comments below, y'all. Y'all can have these for free. For the rest of y'all, y'all be sure to go down to ACS Composites in the link in the description below, man, and get right. Why not have some rock guards to protect your car? That being said, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video. Y'all remember to stay versatile, treat every day like it's y'all motherfucking Friday, man, and go at it like it's y'all last. We out.